So what is the meaning of the word India?
12 nautical miles.
Place of supply.
The term India see defined. India includes territorial waters of India. Right? So what is territorial waters? There are different purposes for which we are defining. So since we're talking about duty, the act is concerned about the duty. That's why we are talking about India includes the territorial waters. But otherwise, India includes even custom waters also. Indian custom water is given here. So this Indian custom water means a water extending into the sea up to the limit of exclusive economic zone under Section 7 of the Territorial Waters and so and so Act. So up to what limit that is? So India for Customs Act and generally. For Customs Act, this is defined under Section 2, subsection 27, and India includes Indian territorial waters. What I've written? India includes Indian territorial waters. I'm going to show you, just wait for a moment. All right. Now, what is Indian territorial water? So territorial water is defined there, not here. Okay. So includes Indian territorial water. Then Indian territorial water, this extends up to 12 nautical miles. See here. For Customs Act, when we say customs means for the purpose of duty, India includes Indian territorial water. And territorial water extends up to 12 nautical miles from the coastline. Nautical miles means how much? 1 nautical mile means what?
So 16.6.
1 nautical mile is equal to 1.8 kilometers. 1.8 kilometers. Mile is different, sorry. This is nautical mile, so this is different, right? So mile is 1600 meters. Nautical mile is 1800 meters. So 1.8 kilometers is equal to 1 nautical mile. Okay, so India extends up to this. Now, in the term of import-export, I'll explain you this again. In general, India extends up to 200 nautical miles from coastline. Right. So 200, this is automatically in two parts, Indian territorial waters, that is 12 nautical miles. And then remaining, that is called Indian custom waters, that is 188 nautical miles. Right. Now, applicability of the provisions of the Companies Act, what, or rather the Customs Act, what is the applicability? As far as this is concerned, this area, that is up to 12 nautical miles from the coastline, all provisions are applicable. All provisions are applicable, right? So 12 nautical miles, it is covered here also. What is in this area? What is the applicability of provisions of the Customs Act? In this area, provisions regarding search, seizure, arrest, and confiscation are applicable. What are the provisions applicable? Provisions relating to search, seizure, arrest, confiscation. Those provisions are applicable in this area. Right? Now, if these are applicable, all other provisions are not. These are attracted only when there is a reason for doubt. And if there is no reason for doubt, this is also referred as a free transit zone. This is also referred as the exclusive Indian economic zone. Two more names for this area. For this. So this is Indian custom water. Other two names are free transit zone. So as such, India is having control up to 200 nautical miles, but any vessel or aircraft passing through that area does not require any approval from government of India. That is a free transit zone. Only transit. You cannot stop there. You cannot carry on any commercial activity because India is up to there. But for passing through that area, no approval or sanction is required from government of India. Right. Another is, it is also referred as exclusive Indian economic zone. So any economic activity within that area except a transit is allowed only to government of India or a citizen of India. Nobody else can carry on any commercial activity in that area. Right. So we can add the name of those two names also for this. That is free transit zone. It is only transit. You cannot stop, cannot carry on any commercial activity in that area. Why not carry on? Because this is also called as exclusive Indian economic zone. Just 1 minute, there is somebody of the government. Then it is also called as exclusive Indian economic zone. It means in this area, any commercial activity can be carried on either by government of India or a citizen of India. Any person from outside India cannot carry on a commercial activity in this area unless authorized by the government. Right. So